Welcome to the hidden world of microbes, a melancholy microbe production. There are a few distinctions among rotifers, and the class I will be showing in this video is the Dilodii rotifers. Two other classes will not be mentioned in this video. Here, you can see a rotifer using its corona, which is the crown of cilia that helps it filter feed for its food. In this still image, the mastac is visible, and this is a jaw-like structure used for mechanical digestion, which means they chew their food. Rotifers are incredibly diverse, multicellular, and containing around 2,200 species. So, if you thought rotifers are strange, well, here is the god of rotifers. Rotaria neptunia is a rotifer that surprised me as much as it is to you. This rotifer is known to have the longest foot on any rotifer. The foot is the part of the rotifer that looks like a tail. Described by Henry Baker in 1764, he claimed that a rotifer that he saw had, quote, tails enormously long, and indeed, they very much do. These rotifers, in fact, can be up to 1 millimeter in length. As described by Baron Cuvier, a French naturalist, these organisms have existed on our planet according to the fossil record approximately 56 to 33.9 million years ago during the Eocene epoch. Now, that is a long time ago. Those two red spots you see there are eyes staring through the mother's belly. Rotifers are incredibly complex and extraordinary, and among all of that, they look so strange. For the first time seeing them and how they move, you may think they are very alien-like and unfamiliar. Rotifers reproduce sexually or parthenogenetically, which is a form of asexual reproduction, when a female fertilizes her own egg without a male. Here is a rotifer inside an egg. Rotifers also have primitive brains that contain nerve cells. As complex as these microanimals are, they also have digestive glands, intestines, stomachs, ovaries, and bladders. Rotifers have a diet that consists of other microorganisms and detritus, which is debris of some kind like rotting organic matter. The fascinating part of this is rotifers are capable of giving live birth to their young. Here, you can see a rotifer contracting into a still position. This here is the ramate trophi, meaning branching mouth part, which is also known previously as the mastac. However, this here may belong to the infant inside. Rotaria neptuna is incredibly unique and one of a kind from the way its image looks and the length of its body. This here is its dorsal antenna. Rotifers can respond to stimuli, as seen here. The tripod-like foot and toe on this rotifer is the crucial difference between this rotifer and others. The unique appearance of its collapsible foot and toe grants it the name Neptunia, the god of rotifers. The corona mentioned before, which is the crown of cilia used to filter feed, is how rotifer got its name, which means in Latin, the wheel bearer. To me, that is a very appropriate name that is well deserved. Thank you for tagging along on this fantastic adventure with me. I hope you like the images produced in this video. If you like to support me in what I do financially, please go to Patreon, where I have a few perks to help you get into my Discord community and exclusive content. Follow me on my socials here and watch me live stream on Reddit. Please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to be notified every time I upload. Thank you again for watching my video.